It seems so obvious that we would think of buildings as something natural and organic, but unfortunately in the past it hasn't been the case. We have to think of architecture in a new way. It has to be responsive, it has to change, it has to adapt to new things. As we move more towards a glazed or window type of building, we have a lot more heat gain coming in through the windows. It gets more dangerous and it becomes ultimately even in some ways more poisonous. So the solution that we have come up with is a product called invert self-shading windows. And what it does is it has these small pieces that are made out of thermal bimetal that flip over to block the sun as it's trying to enter the building. It's made out of a thermal bimetal, which is a lamination of two metals together. One side has a surface that can expand more when heated. When the sun hits the surface, they basically curl the opposite way so that they actually block the sun itself. And that allows us to have the highest amount of color spectrum and daylighting to enter the building and therefore contribute a lot to human wellness. What makes thermal bimetal smart is that it requires no energy and no controls, and that's a very big deal for architecture. Invert windows can do a lot to save money for owners in use of energy, but it can also save the environment. We can actually start to cut down on contributing to the heat island effect. So to put it simply, invert windows use no energy to save energy.